Doodles is now on episode 3 of Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. He loves it. I put him up here before, right before we started having dinner, because I was watching YouTube videos, and I sat him up here, and then I went downstairs for dinner, and I just came back up. He's on episode 3, and he's been sitting here the entire time. He's just watching it. He has an eye problem right now, but he's really watching it. He's been sitting here for an hour and a half, just watching it. He loves it. He's really looking at it. I mean, it's moving around. They're singing. He loves it.